Think we should go outside? Huh? Oh, is that pretty? Look at pretty. See who's out there. Lenore! Well, there's enough snow down here. What do you think? Huh? It's just a typical winter day. Why do they make such a fuss off a little snowstorm burying us alive? How's your casino? Hello, Lenore. How are you?
I'm good. I'm glad to be outside.
You see the men have been shoveling. I don't know how you keep up with this. You can't. Just keep coming down. Shake and bake, Lenore. Shake and bake. I don't know the visibility. He's trying to get out or go down or do something. I don't think where he's going. He's not going too far anywhere. Tires keep sliding. Well, anyway, he's putting salt down and hoping to succeed in something. And that's it. As you can see, it's lots of snow. Lots. Mucho. Nieve. That's some of my language skills I have. Good luck, Joe. It's a nice neighborhood. People sitting in their cars, jammed up. It's a small street. An impatient person blowing their horn. This is where the garbage takes a artistic creativity. Isn't that nice? How snow just sticks to wood outside. Isn't that nice? We got a chair, upside down chair. Everything looks pretty. Very nice. This is very unusual that the snow sticks to the screens. It's been blowing really hard here. It's just calming down. We got a little roadway clear here we can walk. As you can see. I'd say it's about 8 inches, 9 inches so far. Don't you? Yeah, pretty much so. Just pouring down. And we're still here. Well, we're in the building garage. And it looks like somebody crashed into the door. A little damage here. Panel missing there. It happens, you know, accidents. Well, they put plastic to try and cover it up.